Hello everyone, welcome to the How To series of InfraonIMS videos. Today, we will demonstrate how to use the diagnostic tools available in the InfraonIMS tool. InfraonIMS provides diagnostic tools like ping, traceroute, SNMP Walk, Telnet and SSH. We'll showcase these tools one by one, starting with ping. From the main menu, go to Tools then click on Ping. Provide the IP address of the device. You can also specify the timeout, the number of pings, and packet size. Click on OK to ping the device. You will see the ping output on the screen. Do not refresh the page until the ping is complete. Once the ping check is complete, the system will automatically prompt the same. Click on Finish to complete the process. The next tool is traceroute. From the main menu, go to Tools then click on traceroute. Enter the IP address of the target device. Specify the timeout and max hop number. If you want to resolve the IP address to a hostname, select the checkbox. Then click OK. The system will start the traceroute. Do not refresh the page until the traceroute is complete. Once the traceroute is complete, the system will automatically prompt the same. Click on Finish to complete the process. The next tool we will demonstrate the SNMP Walk tool. From the main menu, go to Tools then click on SNMP Walk. Enter the IP address of the target device, enter the community string for the device. InfraonIMS supports SNMP v1, v2c and v3. If you select v3, you will be asked to provide SNMP v3 username, security level, authentication type, and authentication password. For the video, we'll use SNMP version 2. Once you have entered all the details, click on OK to start the SNMP Walk. After the SNMP Walk is complete, click on Finish to complete the process. The next tool we will demonstrate, Telnet tool. From the main menu, go to Tools then click on Telnet. Enter the IP address of the target device and click on Connect. You will be prompted to enter the username and password to connect to the device. Once you have entered the correct username and password, you'll be logged into the device. The next tool we will demonstrate is the SSH tool. Similar to Telnet, you can also take access to any device using SSH. To do this, from the main menu, go to Tools then click on SSH. Enter the IP address of the target device, change the port number if you are using some other port. Then, enter the username and click on Connect. You will be prompted for the password. Once you have entered the correct password, you'll be logged into the device. Thank you for watching.